Hey guys, hope you're well. This is going to be a market outlook for the week of the 16th to the 21st of March. So let's just get straight into it. I'm going to do NQ and gold and maybe a bit of Dow Jones as well. So overall, I said this previously with the whole demand level, how I believe it's going to get disrespected. I just have to wait for it to be disrespected. So pretty much, I'm expecting the daily time frame to inverse this demand zone. We're going to inverse it and then come for these lows, possibly even these lows down here, depending on war news and if we continue to be bearish, like fundamentally. So shorting NQ is not really valid while we're in this zone. If we were to get a retracement up to this daily fair value gap, I would definitely be keen to take shorts if it was still necessary, depending on war news and all that. And I would short, I could swing trade it down here. I could just take a trade towards unmitigated gaps or liquidity down here, but it would be something like that. But yeah, while we're in this demand zone, I can't short until we either inverse it on the daily or we get a retracement and then I can short towards it. This does not mean I'm looking for longs out of it, as I believe it's going to get disrespected. So I'll go over why I think it's going to get disrespected. We're coming in, we're getting a lot of volume out. Okay, we're respecting it. We come in again. We do get a lot of volume out, and then we decide to chop. Okay, we decide to chop. We come in again, and we just chop. We come in again, and we come out a bit, but we come straight back down. So we've come straight back down. It's just telling me that this is now going to get invalidated. We're not having enough volume come out of it or respect it. So that's my reason for I think we're going to take it out. I think we're going to just come straight through it. Whether it's targeting these lows, whether we don't make it that far, who knows? But if I hop on this chart here, we can actually see back here. Yeah. So we've got liquidity here that I've marked, liquidity here that I've marked, and then that's really it. We have some here, but yeah, the main's this one, and then you could target unmitigated gaps or something like that down here. And we also have this NWOG down here, which we'll see. It's pretty far down, but we definitely might want to come for it. 16%. Yeah, that's like recession vibes. Hopefully we don't come for that. So that's NQ right now. So I'm waiting for that retracement or I'm waiting to inverse this gap. So pretty much there's just going to be no trades on NQ as of now. US 30. Yes, these are somewhat correlated, but they're not. Like if NQ is going to go up, the Dow is going to go up too, but doesn't mean they're exactly correlated. So the Dow. The Dow is looking very bearish to me. We have just inversed this daily fair value gap. So that is now a daily inversion fair value gap. So it's a IFVG. Let me change that. Which is really nice because it's just a really good indication of where price wants to go. We do have a daily fair value gap here, which we might want to retrace to, which would be nice, but hey, I'm not really expecting that. We retraced to this one. This was great shorts out of it. I took a short out of this, and then I took another one here, which was, yeah, which I don't remember. I don't know what that is. Um, yeah, it was a trade recap. That's what I was doing. So, yeah, we're looking really bearish. I have liquidity here to target. We could keep going. Doesn't really matter or whenever. But then how far down is that? Yeah, it's another 3%. This could definitely happen right here. We could definitely take out this liquidity. We could come even lower, for that 10% drop nearly, I think it would be, or 8% drop, 6% drop. Yeah, we could 100% come down here. We've already dropped 8% since March 10th. So 35 days, which is pretty crazy. 35 days, so there's nothing that says we might be too overextended to the downside or not. I mean, who knows? A bit. This is it. The Dow is going to be the main kind of trades on NQ. We have to be patient, and yeah, they're kind of correlated, but we just have to be patient for this indice to get inversed. So I'd be willing to short Dow 100%. If we've inversed this daily fair value gap, we have we have another daily fair value gap here. So we could, if we get a retracement up into there, that would be really really nice. But at the same time, I'm not expecting it. Let's hop on that 4-hour time frame. 4 hours not looking the best. But we'll see if Monday can print some candles and then take trades off that. yeah, there's not much to go by here, which is very annoying. Very annoying. It pretty much means I can't trade all of this. I can't trade because there's nothing there for me. We have a 1 hour fair value gap, but that's it. So that's really annoying. I'm literally gonna have to wait for new candles to print. Hopefully we can make like a fair value gap somewhere. I'm not gonna bother draw a fair value gap. But yeah, okay. So that's annoying, but it's alright. It's alright. We'll see how we go. And then gold. Gold, we inverse one of my key levels. So we inverse the daily fair value gap. Gold's now looking bearish. Gold is looking bearish. I remember saying, this Monday with the whole war news, we ripped to the upside. Well, no, we didn't. We ripped to the upside in the first couple hours of market open, and then we just came straight back down. It was, if we're gonna like be anticipating an all-time highs straight away, like I had people messaging me saying we're gonna go to all-time highs, blah blah blah. But you also have to think like, oh damn, if everyone's gonna be telling me this, then are we really going to? So I was really grateful for me. I think I exited my position, my swing trade around here or here-ish. I think it was somewhere. I think I could be wrong. Maybe it was down here, but yeah, I did well. I did at least I didn't hold for stop loss to get here down here. So yeah, look, I'm gonna be honest. This is an inversion, but for me, an inversion needs to just be a little bit bigger. And I know that sounds weird, but I like the candle to be like properly closed. This is only a very small close above it, and yes, it's 22 points. Hold up, what the fuck? Oh, this is fucking gold. Forgot. Yeah, so because it's only inversion of like whatever how many points or ticks that is, I don't really know what gold is. I forgot. Ticks, points, blah blah blah. It's just not enough for me to be really an inversion. So I would prefer another bearish daily close, whether we close, down here even, like something like this, or anything, even like this. That would be indicating a lot, like very bearish to me. But this is like, fuck, we've just inversed this gap. It does, sometimes they just don't count. I like a really clean inversion. Um, so yeah, that's really it. But if gold is going to continue coming down and like confirmation inversion for me, then all this liquidity I reckon is going to get taken out. And then gold could have a massive retracement. Like obviously it's always going up. Like this is a weekly chart. It's always just blue, 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 green, green, green candles. But like you have to think, fucking coming up, 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 up. We're like really ripping to the upside. We're gonna have a retracement and then probably just continue going up. Hopefully, hopefully. But yeah, gold could be done. Silver's pretty fucked. I would have been buying silver right now. Silver was like anticipated longs. And when you're getting days like this, I mean, come on. When you're getting, this is the daily time frame, guys. 7% in one day, 16% in 3 days, 20% in 4 days, 26% in 5 days. Like that shit's just gonna drop. That's like obvious, isn't it? So yeah, it's not exactly. This is a month and a week worth of data right here. 77%. Wow. A month and a week, 23rd. Yeah, like a month and half a week. So that's really it. That's kind of my bias going into next week. NQ, I need confirmation. I need to wait. Cannot be trading while we're in this zone unless we inverse it or get a retracement. Dow Jones, I'm definitely looking for shorts, but PA is not on my side here. Like I literally said, I have to wait for new candles to print. There is nothing here for me to take a trade off of, and I'm not looking for long, so I'm not looking over here. Like we could be over here, and I'm not looking over here for longs, even though it's something to look at to be mindful of. But I'm just looking for shorts. So what I'm hoping is, what am I hoping? We do something like this, come down, and then I can get a retrace. There's literally a setup here. We could have that 1 hour fair value gap resistance, OTE, take that trade. Could target this. This is not crazy. We could actually come for this low tomorrow. It's Sunday, by the way, guys. Monday opens tomorrow. Market opens at 10 o'clock. So that's my, or 9 o'clock tomorrow. Daylight savings changed. So that's my bias. We could come. Yeah, it's pretty cooked. It's pretty cooked. I don't know. We're gonna have to come down, form new candles, retrace into those new candles. If we come up here, there's nothing to short off of unless we come up here, down, and then up. But that would be a bit of a shit trade because the 4 hour would be looking bullish. Probably be a 4 hour gap here, I assume. Um, so yeah, fuck. I don't know why that's just fucking happened. Fuck off. Okay, doesn't matter. Replay, leave. But yeah, that's a bias going into next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please comment like what you guys think too. Sorry, there's no face cam. I'm like, I just can't. Next video there will be a face cam. So let me know if you enjoyed it or not, and yeah, what you guys think. Yeah, comment. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.